Can you imagine a world where the painstaking, time-consuming process of manual sanding becomes a thing of the past? A world where uniform, smooth, and high-quality finishes are achieved at the touch of a button? This isn't a distant dream. It's a reality, and it's called automated sanding. Automated sanding is the future, the game changer that is ready to revolutionize the manufacturing sector. It's not just about making the process easier. It's about enhancing the quality, saving time, and most importantly, saving money. The magic of automated sanding lies in its precision. While manual sanding can result in uneven finishes due to human error, automated sanding guarantees a consistent, smooth finish on every single piece. It's like having a master craftsman working at lightning speed, delivering impeccable results. Moreover, automated sanding doesn't just promise quality, it delivers it in record time. Remember those grueling hours spent manually sanding a single piece? Those days are gone. With automated sanding, you can achieve the same, if not better, results in a fraction of the time. This means increased productivity and, ultimately, a healthier bottom line. But the benefits of automated sanding don't stop there. It's also an incredible money saver. Think about it. Fewer hours spent sanding means lower labor costs. Plus, the superior quality of the finished product reduces the need for reworks, keeping material wastage to a minimum. It's a win-win for your wallet and your workflow. So the choice seems clear. Stick with the outdated, labor-intensive method of manual sanding, or embrace the future with automated sanding. The future that offers precision, speed, cost efficiency, and superior quality. Don't get left behind. It's time to step into the future. It's time to revolutionize your production process with automated sanding. Remember, progress waits for no one. So, are you ready to take that leap? Ready to revolutionize your production process? It's time to say goodbye to manual sanding